COVID cases rise but vaccines to enter home stretch before production, says companies. Prepare yourself for a wet so what as the Met Department forecasts heavy rainfall from the 19th to the 23rd of this month. In a sudden change of guard at Raj Bhavan, Bhagat Singh Koshyari takes over as new Goa governor. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant appeals to people to take precautions during Ganesh festival, says will review Vasco containment orders. Hello and welcome, this is Susan Gomes and now shall take you through the news in detail. Worldwide, 30 vaccines for COVID-19 have already entered a crucial phase of trials. Russia has already registered its vaccine after trials. Oxford University's vaccine too is in advanced stage of trials.
In India, Bharat Biotech's Covaxin is being jointly developed with Indian Institute of Medical Research and Zydus Cadillac's Zycov-D are in the early 1 and 2 stages. Bharat Biotech's Covaxin gets DGCI approval for trials, has shown safety immune response. Zydus Cadillac's Zycov-D enters phase 2 trial. Safe, well tolerated. Worldwide, Russia has already registered its vaccine while Oxford University's vaccine is in phase 2 and 3 of trials. Moderna, CureVac, Inovio, Institute Pasteur, Novavax, the Wuhan Institute of Biological Products are also in the race to develop a vaccine. CureVac of Germany has secured approvals from German health authorities and Belgian Federal Agency. Russia's Sputnik V, first nation to complete human trials. Vaccine is in liquid and powder forms. Oxford University's Covishield to go into production in India to be tested on non-infected people. Germany's CureVac to begin trials in New Year gets German-Belgian approvals. America's Moderna to launch by end of 2020 named mRNA 1273. China's vaccine not named. Producer offers to test with Russian scientists. Panji Bureau, Goa 365.
India reported more than 60,000 coronavirus recoveries in the last 24 hours, the highest in a day so far. The total numbers of recoveries have reached 20.37 lakh. The total cases have increased to 27.67 lakh after a single day spike of more than 64,000 cases.
A single day jump of 64,531 COVID-19 cases were reported in India. In last 24 hours, 1,092 deaths were reported and 60,091 patients have recovered. India has reported 27,67,273 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and the active cases have crossed 6.73 lakh mark. 52,889 deaths are reported and more than 20,37,870 patients have recovered. Here are 5 worst hit coronavirus states. Maharashtra is leading with 6.50 lakh mark of COVID-19 cases, followed by Tamil Nadu, Andhra Pradesh 3.6 lakh, Karnataka 2.40 lakh and UP 1.62 lakh. Almost 2.16 lakh COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 2.23 crore mark. 7.84 lakh deaths are reported and more than 1.50 crore have recovered. Here are the 5 worst hit coronavirus nations. United States is leading with more than 53.54 lakh cases, followed by Brazil 33.40 lakh cases. India is third worst hit nation with 27.67 lakh cases. Russia 9.32 lakh cases and South Africa with 5.89 lakh cases. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
Bhagat Singh Koshyari was sworn in as the new governor on Wednesday. Bhagat Singh Koshyari is also the governor of Maharashtra.
On Tuesday, former Goa Governor Satyapal Malik was transferred to Meghalaya. He went on Wednesday. Later on in the afternoon, Bhagat Singh Koshyari arrived in Goa and by evening he was sworn in as the new governor of Goa.
Bhagat Singh Koshyari, देवाचे साक्षी सोपून वेदांत की हांव गोंय राज्याचो राज्यपाल म्हणून म्हजे पदकार्य निश्ठेन निभायतलो आनी म्हाज्या सामर्थ्याची पराकाष्ठा करून संविधान आणि कायदो हाचे जतन संरक्षण आणि बचाव करतलो आणि हांव स्वतः गोंयचे जनतेचे सेवक आणि कल्याणा खातीर बघून घेतलो.
Semangat, gambar समाप्त श्रीमान.
Here are some of the details of the new governor, Bhagat Singh Koshyari. He is also the governor of Maharashtra, RSS veteran, former national vice president of BJP. He is also a former Uttarakhand CM and former Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha member. Squad 365 Bureau Report.
We shall slip into a short break. Don't go away. Welcome back. The Chief Minister Pramod Sawant and the local MLA Carlos Almeida are on the same page that Vasco containment areas will be removed. However, the question is when.
Chief Minister on Wednesday took a joint review meeting of various government departments including MMC, Sub-Registrar, Transport Department, Deputy Collector's Office PWD and other departments to address various aspects functioning of their department during this time of pandemic. Vasco MLA Carlos Almeida said that both the containment zones of Mangur and Kharivara could be opened by the 20th of August. CM said that the target has been set by all departments to clear the pending cases, which will help to strengthen the administration and also generate revenue. Sawant also said that various development projects were also discussed and assured that to have a review meeting in the next 3 months to take stock of the situation.
फाटल्यो पेंडिंग केसीस आशिल्ल्यो फुडल्या 2 म्हयन्याच्या भितर सगळ्यो केसीस क्लियर करपाचो तेंच्यांनी टार्गेट दवरला. ओके, प्रत्येक डिपार्टमेंटान टार्गेट दवरला आनी फुडल्या 2 म्हयन्याच्या भितर तेंच्या कडेन आसलेल्यो सगळ्यो केसीस बेगिनात बेगीन क्लियर जातल्यो, जेणे करून एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन फास्ट ट्रॅक जावपा खातीर हाजो आमकां खुबसो फायदो जो आसा तो ह्या बाबतींत जातलो. हांगासलो इलिगल कन्स्ट्रक्शन्स आनी बाकीचे सगळे म्युनिसिपालिटीचे इश्यूज आशिल्ले जाता ते DMAच्या बरोबर करून एक तर ते रेग्युलरायज करप आनी सरकारचो रेव्हेन्यू मॅक्झिमम प्रमाणे सरकारान येवपा खातीरय बी त्या पद्दतीन आमचे सगळे ऑफिसर्स मोठ्या प्रमाणात कामाक लागतले. पेंडिंग वर्क जितके आसा तितके कंप्लीट जातले.
Hirumale for Gua 365 in Vasco.
This year's Tovot is likely to be a wet one if we go by what the Met Department is saying. The IMD has predicted heavy rainfall from the 19th till the 23rd of August. Squally weather with wind speed reaching 45 to 55 kilometers per hour will happen during these 3 to 5 days. Here's more.
IMD said a low pressure area has been formed over North Bay of Bengal on Wednesday. It is expected to intensify and move westwards. There is possibility of increase of rainfall over Goa on 20th and 21st August due to the intensification and movement.
So from tomorrow onwards, we are expecting that heavy rainfall. That means rainfall exceeding 7 centimeters at 3 or 4 places over the districts of Goa. And 1 or 2 stations can even report maybe rainfall exceeding 12 centimeters. That is called as very heavy rainfall. So this increased activity is going to be there for tomorrow and day after tomorrow, that is on 20th as well as on 21st of August. Afterwards, this well-marked low pressure area that is going to weaken, and so is going to be the rainfall over Goa.
Goa has reported 3,202 millimeters rainfall till date and it's above normal. North Goa has reported 3,395 millimeters rainfall and South Goa has reported 3,030 millimeters rainfall respectively. Here's the area-wise distribution of rainfall till date. Mapsa in last 24 hours 13.0 millimeters, seasonal not available. Pernem in last 24 hours 35.4 millimeters, seasonal is 3,889.8 millimeters. Bonda in last 24 hours it's 10.8 millimeters and seasonal is 3,331.5 millimeters. In Panji, in last 24 hours is 9.8 millimeters and seasonal is 3,051.1 millimeters. Old Goa in last 24 hours is 7.0 millimeters and seasonal is 3,417.3 millimeters. Sakli in last 24 hours it's 24.0 millimeters and seasonal is 3,552 millimeters. Valpai in last 24 hours is 43.2 millimeters and seasonal is not available. In Kankona in last 24 hours it's 27.6 millimeter and seasonal is 3,323.2 millimeters. Dabolim in last 24 hours is 8.8 millimeters and seasonal is 2,759.1 millimeters. Margao in last 24 hours is 17.2 millimeters and seasonal is 2,709.5 millimeters. Murmugao in last 24 hours is 2.6 millimeters and seasonal is 2,780.7 millimeters. In Kepem, last 24 hours is 15.0 millimeters and seasonal is 3,393.2 millimeters. Sangem in last 24 hours is 19.0 millimeters and seasonal is 3,240.7 millimeters. Samip Narvekar for Goa 365 from Panji.
Chief Minister Pramod Sawant has extended Sowat greetings. He has also appealed to the people to take precautions. Meanwhile, people have expressed their ire as the price of Matoli items have soared high.
एक फुडल्या 3 महिन्याच्या भितर परत एकदा केन्ना तरी एकदा रिव्ह्यू मिटींग घेवन तांकां दिल्लें काम हें कंप्लीट करपाचें थारलां. हांगासरली जी एनक्रोचमेंट आसा ताचेर एक सर्वे रिपोर्ट करून मामलेदाराक हांवें टार्गेट दिला की विदीन अ मंथ हील सबमीट द सर्वे रिपोर्ट टू द गव्हर्मेंट आनी ताच्या उपरांत गव्हर्मेंट ताजेर आहा तो निर्णय घेतलो. अशा पद्दतीन कोवीड मॅनेजमेंट आनी ओवरऑल डेव्हलपमेंट ऑफ द मार्मागोवा तालुका हाजेर एक वेगवेगळ्या विशयाचेर चर्चा हांगासर जाली. सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मास्क ह्यो सगळ्यो गजाली वापरता आसतना आपूण आनी आपल्या फॅमिलीचे लायफाची काळजी घेवची ही सगळ्यांक विनंती करता. आनी येता ती चवथ ती खूब व्हडा म्हणजे आमी जरी ह्या कोविडांतल्या महामारींतल्यान व्हडा उमेदीन आमी म्हणूंक शकना पण आपल्या घरा आपुणूच रावन इतरांच्या घरा एका वर्साचा न वता आपलो 1.5 दिसाचो 5 दिसाचो गणपती हो आपल्या आपुणूच साजरो करचो. आनी ही चवथ म्हणटा तशी शेनवार आनी आयतार ह्या 2 दिसान साजरी करची. सगळ्यांक चवथीच्यो खूब खूब शुभेच्छा दिता आनी आयचे खूब बरें सहकार्य तुमच्या सगळ्या ऑफिसरा कडल्यान मेळ्ळें त्या बद्दल देव बरें करूं.
Matoli are now expensive. Starting from coconut, one coconut for the Matoli is 100 rupees. Katro Areca nut bunch costs 900 rupees. People are paying 150 rupees for 100 Areca nuts. Vendors are selling at any price they want. Watch the angry reactions of the customers in Matoli Bazaar at Kapalishwari Highway.
माटोळी सामान भरपूर म्हारग आसा. ती सांगता 700-800 रुपया चड म्हारग. 500 रुपया म्हणल्यार खूब जाले. तशेंच नाल्ल माटोळी बांदपाचे वयर
कितले रेट सांगता?
100 रुपया सांगता
एक नाल.
हो एक नाल 50 रुपया म्हणल्यार खूब जालो. आनी बाकीचे अशे शिरत्यो आसा पळय 100 शिरत्यो ताका 150 रुपया ताका 90 रुपया खूब जाले. गेल्या वर्सा 90-100 रुपयाचे बद्दल वयर नाशिल्ले रेट. ह्या वर्सा खूब चड म्हारग आसा.
लूट चल्ल्या
सामकी लूट चल्ल्या. कित्याक हें म्हाका बरें लागना. कितें कोरोनाचे फायदे घेता लोकूय फायदे घेता. लोकांक समजना एकामेकांक मदत करपाक जाय गरिबांक पावपाक जाय कशें मदत करपाची. लोक समजतच ना. लोक फक्त आपले पळयता फायदो लुटपाचे आपले स्वार्थ पळयता. लोकांचे कोणाक पडोन गेल्ले ना. कोणाचो कंट्रोल ना. गव्हर्मेंटाचो अजिबात कंट्रोल ना. कित्याक कोणाक पडोन गेले ना. सगळे आपले आपले पोटां भरपाचें पळयता.
दर वर्सा कितें करताले बाणस्तारी नाल्यार मडगांव वचून बाजार हाडटाले. आमकां सवाय पडटालो. हालीं कितें जाता हालीं आमकां म्हाल घेवपाक सामकें इतलो म्हारग जाता. एक तोरींग हें असली एक तोरींग घेतलो जाल्यार 70-80 सांगता ते. एक एकदां नाल्लूच घेतलो जाल्यार 50-60 रुपया नाल्ल सांगता. हांव विकपाक कशें आमी. लोक आतां 80 सांगल्यार माय दिसता. एक कांगलाचो गोंड जर घेतलो जाल्यार 50 रुपया ते आमकां थंय पडटा आनी आमी आमकां कसो विकपाचो. माट्टी कात्रे जायची आसा. वर्सा आमकां मडगांव हितून बाणस्तार सामकें सवाय मेळटाले. चिपट्या कात्रे 400-500 रुपयान मेळटाले. 800 रुपयान हें हाडले चिपट्या कात्रे हाडल्या विकपाक कशें. एक नाल आमकां 60 रुपयांनी आतां देवा दवरपाक 60 रुपयांनी नाल करून हाडून दितलो म्हूण लोक आतां 80 व्हरतलो तो व्हरना उन्हान आनी कोरोना लावन लोक भायर सरना लोकांक पयसोय ना
आनी बाणस्तारी बाजार ना
म्हणून बाणस्तारी ना मडगांव नाल बाणस्तारी हाडटाले काणकोण हाडटाले आमी आनी भाड्यार रिक्षा करून वयताले आमी आमच्या गाडी ना गाडयेकूच पडटाले 1000-1500 गाडी आमकां खर्च जातालो
लोक सद्या भायर सरपाक तयार ना कित्याक कोरोना लागून थोडे पयसो ना तेन्ना
रेट कशी आहा
रेट सद्या हाय रेट जाल्ले आहा
शिफ्टी कशें
शिफ्टी 900 शिफ्टी जाला आसा रेट जाला
होलसेलाक
पावसा लागून लोकांक काडपाक मेळना माडार चडपाक मेळना त्याची हो रेट हाय वाडलेलो आसा
Hiru Mahali for Goa 365 from Vasco and Kapalishwari. We shall slip into a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Konkolim Tsawat Bazaar wants to become Swadeshi. Shop owners say they have boycotted Chinese goods as they prepare for the Tsawat festival sales.
Tsawat is just around the corner and it will be celebrated under the shadow of coronavirus. Government has issued SOP. Normally before Tsawat, we can see the crowds in the market. However, though Konkolim market is open, customers are very few.
चायना माल खोपोवपा ना डिसिजन घेतलेलेच आसा परत होऊन माल वयरसानूय चायना माल येवन आनी चड सगळो मेक इन इंडियान प्रमोट केल्ले आसा सगळी वस्तू हँडीक्राफ्ट येयल्ले आहा अंदू चडश्यो गणेश चतुर्थीचे तोरण म्हणटू हार म्हणटू माळा म्हणटू सगळे हँडमेड येयल्ले आसा आनी सगळे इंडिया मेक येयल्ले आसा आनी चायना माल ऑलमोस्ट एम्प्टी जाले मार्केट कांयच ना आतां कसले फ्लायटी सुद्दां आमच्या चायनाचे येताले पयलीं त्या पासून इंडियन केल्ले आसा आतां एक्चुअली आमकां गिरायक चालू आसपाचें पूण अंदू मातशें स्लॅक आसा कित्याक कोविडा लागून कस्टमरूय मातशे आतां डिस्टन्सा लागून मातशे पार्टान येता म्हणून आसा चवथीची उत्सुकता आसा कस्टमराक
आमी ते फक्त चायना फाटल्यान रावपाचें ना आमकां इंडियेक कितें तरी करपाक जाय आमगे इंडिया वयर सरपाक जाय ताका लागून आमी हो सगळो माल चायनाचो आसता बंद केल्लो आसा आनी आमच्या वेपाऱ्यांनी बी तो हाडूना मार्केट कमी जाल्यार हरकत ना पूण चायनाचे आमकां कॉन्टेक्ट नाका आतां चॉयस बसून आमी चायना हाडटाले ते बी आतां आमी बंद केले फक्त सगळे इंडियनूच दवरले.
It is Ramesh Naik Raut for Goa 365 in Konkolim.
Scrap MAPSA PDA also postponed the land rules registration for some time. Goa Foundation and Bodhkeshwar Farmers Union demanded on Wednesday.
MAPSA Municipal Council is capable of framing the MAPSA outline development plan, so we do not need PDA in MAPSA, they said. Watch.
MAPSAचे आता लँड यूज रजिस्टर ताणे प्रकाशीत केला आणि म्हणटा ते 1 म्हयनो आमी तुमकां दिता हे सगळे इन्स्पेक्ट करपाक आनी तुमचे कितें सुजाव ऑब्जेक्शन्स आहा तुमी भायर सरात आमी म्हणटा आतां हे 1 म्हयनो आतां सगळो कोविडाक लागून सगळो बंद आहा आमी सगळे आमकां सगळे घरा राव म्हणटात आनी हे म्हणटात आमी 1 म्हयन्यान आमी सगळे हें करूंक जाय म्हणून आमी सगळे एक इन्कार केला 1 म्हयनो कितें म्हूण कितें अर्जन्सी आसा म्हूण एक ODP आसा ODP इज देर इन ऑपरेशन तर त्या कारण तुमी कितें हे बेगीन कितें करतात म्हूण कित्याक म्हूण तुमचें कितें इंट्रस्ट आसतालें म्हूण त्या कारण तुमी करतात तशें इलेक्शन पोस्टपोन केलां हें केलां आमकां गणेशाचो आमकां 1.5 दीस दिला हे आनी तुमी सगळे घरा सोशल डिस्टन्सींग करता तुमी आतां तुमचे ऑफिसूच बंद आहात पंचायत हे म्युनिसिपालिटी बंद आहा आनी PDA बंद आहा कित्याक ताकाय कोवीड लागल्या म्हणून हे सो आमची पयली डिमांड आहा ते सगळे कंप्लिटली इनडेफिनेट पोस्टपोनमेंट करपाचें ते प्लॅन आहा ते 2016चे ते आसून दी अँड टील दॅट टायम यू वील नॉट प्रोड्यूस एनी लँड यूज रजिस्टर ते काडपाचें म्हणून लँड यूज रजिस्टर एक्सरसायज इल्लिगल आहा कित्याक म्हूण तुमी डिवेलपमेंट प्लॅन ODP तुमी रिवायज करतना तुमकां लँड यूज रजिस्टरची करपाची कांय हें ना अधिकारच ना ते एकदां तुमी करतात ताचे उपरांत तुमकां करूंक जायना तिसरी आमचे ऑब्जेक्शन आहात आमी ऑफिसान गेले आमी विनंती केले तुमी आमकां दाखय म्हूण लँड यूज रजिस्टर आनी ते आमकां म्हणटात आमी लँड यूज रजिस्टर सही आमी करूंक ना आमी कितें करता ती 2016ची आउटलायन डेव्हलपमेंट प्लॅन आमी तीच आमी लँड यूज रजिस्टर आमी दाखयता म्हूण.
Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 in Mapusa.
Indian opening batsman Rohit Sharma and wrestler Vinesh Phogat are among the 4 sportsperson who have been recommended for the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sporting honour. This year, the award ceremony will be held virtually due to the COVID-19 outbreak. The awards are held on the National Sports Day, which is celebrated on August 29th, the birth anniversary of hockey wizard Dhyan Chand.
Apart from Rohit and Vinesh, table tennis player Manika Batra and Parapian M. Telgwalu are the other two names. The first time this year National Sports Award ceremony will be held virtually due to the outbreak of coronavirus, the pandemic, with all winners logging in from their respective places to hear their names being announced on the 29th of August. National Sports Awards include the Rajiv Gandhi Khel Ratna Award, the Arjuna Award, Dronacharya Award and the Dhyan Chand Award, which will be conferred every year by the President at the Rashtrapati Bhavan on the 29th of August. The names were decided after the National Sports Award Selection Committee met on Tuesday for deciding the Rajiv Khel Ratna Awards, Arjuna and other National Sports Awards. This is the only second time that the names of 4 athletes have been recommended for the award. In 2016, shuttler PVS Sidhu, then gymnast Deepak Karmakar, shooter Jitu Rai and wrestler Shashi Malik had received this award. It is Clinton D'Souza for Goa 365.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa 365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa 365 TV, or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa 365.